Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got some thrilling news for all you gamers out there. We are diving into the latest buzz about Sony's upcoming console, the PS5 Pro. We've got fresh leaks, potential specs, and what you can expect for the announcement and release. So, let's jump right into it. According to the latest leaks, the PS5 Pro will have a design quite similar to the PS5 Slim but with some notable differences. It's expected to be slightly larger, giving it a more robust look. One standout feature is the three black stripes running horizontally across its white exterior. While they couldn't share the official image due to copyright concerns, they provided a sketch showing that the PS5 Pro resembles the PS5 Slim but has two main differences: the addition of the black stripes and a top that is slightly thicker. Now, let's talk performance. The PS5 Pro is rumored to pack a serious punch. It will feature the Zen 2 CPU architecture with a peak dynamic frequency of 4.4 GHz. The GPU is expected to include 3,584 shaders with a frequency target of 2.0 GHz, delivering around 28.67 TFLOPs of performance. For memory, we are looking at 16 GB of 18 GB per second GDDR6, offering a bandwidth of 576 GB per second. What does this mean for you? Expect stable 4K output at over 30 FPS, making your games look and run better than ever. The PS5 Pro is expected to be a digital edition only, which means it won't come with a built-in disk drive. This might be a bit of a letdown for those of you who still love physical media. However, there's good news: there might be an optional external disk drive available for purchase separately. This could be a game converter for those who want the flexibility of both digital and physical games, so you won't be left out if you prefer to keep your disc collection. So, when can you get your hands on this powerhouse? The official announcement is expected to come in early September 2024. If Sony follows its usual release pattern, we might see the console hit the shelves by the end of the year, perfect timing for the holiday season. The PS4 Pro was announced and had pre-orders open on 7 September 2016, with a release date of 10 November 2016. Similarly, the PS5 was announced on 16 September 2020, with pre-orders starting the following day and the console releasing on 12 November 2020. Let's talk about pricing. The PS5 Pro is speculated to be priced between $600 to $650. If you decide to get the optional external disk drive, it could add an additional cost of around $80. So, if you're planning to go all in, you might be looking at a total price of up to $730. It's definitely a premium investment, but the performance upgrades and additional features might make it worth the price for serious gamers. So, what do you think about the PS5 Pro? Are you excited about the new design and the upgraded specs? Will you be getting the optional disk drive? Or are you going fully digital? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates on the PS5 Pro and other gaming news. Thanks for watching.